Regular physical exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. And when it comes to building strength and improving overall fitness, push-ups are a simple yet effective exercise that can yield remarkable results. By engaging multiple muscle groups, push-ups offer a range of benefits for your body and well-being. Whether you're aiming to enhance upper body strength, increase muscle definition, or improve posture, integrating push-ups into your daily routine can be an excellent choice. In this article, we will explore 10 compelling benefits of doing push-ups every day. From building muscle strength and stability to promoting cardiovascular fitness and mental well-being. Discover how this versatile exercise can transform your body and enhance your overall health. Strengthens upper body muscles. Push-ups primarily target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. Regular push-ups help develop and strengthen these muscles, leading to improved upper body strength. Builds core stability. Push-ups engage your core muscles, including your abdominals and lower back, to maintain a stable body position during the exercise. This helps in building core strength and stability. Enhances functional strength. Push-ups are a compound exercise that mimics many real-life movements, such as pushing heavy objects or getting up from the floor. By strengthening multiple muscle groups simultaneously, push-ups improve your overall functional strength. Increases muscle definition. Consistently performing push-ups can help tone and define your muscles, giving you a more sculpted and aesthetic appearance. Improves posture. Push-ups engage your back and shoulder muscles, helping to correct poor posture caused by long hours of sitting or slouching. Strengthening these muscles can lead to improved posture and reduced back pain. Boosts metabolism. Push-ups are a type of resistance training that stimulates muscle growth. Increased muscle mass contributes to a higher metabolic rate, allowing you to burn more calories throughout the day, even at rest. Enhances bone health. Push-ups are a weight-bearing exercise, meaning they put stress on your bones. This helps stimulate bone remodeling, making your bones stronger and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Promotes cardiovascular fitness. Doing push-ups at a higher intensity, such as incorporating explosive movements or performing them in quick succession, can elevate your heart rate and provide a cardiovascular workout, improving your overall fitness. Requires minimal equipment. One of the great benefits of push-ups is that they can be done anywhere and require no equipment other than your body weight. This makes them a convenient and cost-effective exercise option. Mental well-being. Regular exercise, including push-ups, releases endorphins, which are known as feel-good hormones. Engaging in physical activity can boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve mental well-being. Incorporating push-ups into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your physical and mental well-being. From strengthening your upper body muscles and core stability to enhancing bone health and boosting metabolism, push-ups offer a wide range of benefits. They require minimal equipment, can be done anywhere, and are an accessible exercise option for people of various fitness levels. By committing to a regular push-up routine, you can improve your strength, endurance, and overall fitness. So, seize the opportunity to transform your body, increase your functional strength, and experience the positive effects of push-ups on your physical and mental health. Start today and enjoy the incredible benefits that push-ups have to offer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, insights, and inspiration on how to live your best, most vibrant life. Together, let's continue running towards a healthier, happier future. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and we'll see you in the next video.